How's it going, everyone? Happy Tuesday. We're going to be continuing our Retrieval Augmented Generation Rust application that's built for production grade stability and performance. We're going to make it good. That's the plan. We're going to make it really good. And it turns out, look at our simple schema. Create a virtual table if not exists with full text search with just the text field. And we probably need to have a few other parameters in there. Maybe, another column or two. Text is the only one we have right now. I think there's a default. We're going to try it out. We're going to try inserting. So I think that's the plan. So we got a plan for today. Today we're going to use our post endpoint that we've defined here. Got a nice little post endpoint right here where we upload a new doc to be indexed. We're going to throw that into the indexer, and then we also need to create a slicer. So we need to do chunk the data into slices. We got to chunk the data. Hey, Squirrel Sniper, greetings from across the pond. Good to see ya. Happy Tuesday. Hope you had a good week so far. We're continuing with our Retrieval Augmented Generation today. First with the intent. All right, very nice. Good to have you here. We're making our way. We are doing pretty good. We actually did a really good. We've done really good so far, like real good. Let me see here. Do we say text hello? We don't need. Oh wait. Oh yeah. That's fine. Okay. So this is the response, which we need to provide the actual element. We've got a lot of things to do. We have a lot of things to do here. All right. So let's get our connection working. So we need to run our insert statement on our post here. So let me see if this works. We can actually insert anything into the data right there. I think that's going to be perfectly fine. Also, what we should be doing as well, in this database, we should also add Turbovec right here. So that way it's all in one and it's really easy to use. Hey, Ruchi. Hey, pal. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. Good to have you here. All right, let's keep going. I'm excited about this. This is great. There's a lot of fun things that we can get going that are really, really powerful with this. So let's see. Let's post our doc. So I don't know if we've written a test for a post yet. Have we? Let's see if we can do that really quick, yeah? Let me see here. Where's this at? So there's our server. Let me open up the test really quick. All right, tests. Here we go. iTest. Let's post. Wait. Oh, we already did it. Wait, hold on. Document is a document. So wait, what parameter is it looking for? Wait, it's just an empty. It's empty. Second like is done. All right, root sheet. Thank you. Appreciate you very much. All right, let me click some buttons here really quick. There we go. Get everything organized. All right, perfect. Okay, we need to come up with a field name here. We got to come up with a field name here. So what should this be? No. Let's see. Yeah, I would like to extract the body. So how do we get a prompt? All right. So yeah, let's grab this here. So this is going to be document. I want the document, and this will be the document. Okay, perfect. Document, and then unwrap or nothing. Perfect. Hey, Kuno, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. Good to have you here. We are going to be finishing our retrieval augmented. We're gonna add the documents today. We're gonna add the documents to the database, and I think that's going to be a really good starting point. I'm be very happy about that. All right. 1 second. I gotta before we get started. I have to. Hello. Hey, how's it going there? Welcome on in. Shoodham, right? Give me 1 second. I gotta go take care of something on the side of the room. Dang, Kuno, yeah. 1 second, you guys. I'm just over here. I'm not doing anything crazy or anything. I'm just over here. 1 second. All right. I'm just over here. Don't worry. I'm just taking care of something real quick. No big deal. All right. I'll be right back. Hold on. Oh. All right. We're good. Nothing happens, don't worry. Okay. Okay, here, we're back. All right, bro's house is so big. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. Shubham. Oh, Shubham or Shubham. Sorry, yes. All right, so let me think it. Shubham. All right. Try to remember that name there. All right. So wait, the way Brode slid. You saw that? Wait, that was on camera? I didn't mean to do that. You need to replace the standard mutex wrapper with an asynchronous connection pool manager, specialized for SQLite. Handle Oh yeah, I was thinking about that. I was looking into it. I do like doing an asynchronous message passing. We could do that as well. I was thinking about that, Squirrel Sniper. Shubham, correct. All right, Shubham. All right. Slid into the next room. Yes, I didn't know. I didn't know that was on camera. Right. All right. We'll make things happen here. So yes, Squirrel Sniper. I was absolutely thinking about that, and in fact, it's something that when I usually deploy, I usually do that. I don't like locks or mutexes. I don't. So what I usually do is I do MPSC and request response over MPSC. That's what I do. So we will add a to-do item here. Let's do that. Let's add a quick to-do item. Document. Let's close that really quick, and then open up our to-do on our database. All right, so let's add some to-dos here. To-do, add multi-producer single consumer, remove locks and guards because we don't want them. We don't want them. We should also to-do add Turbovec here. So that way it's all real easy. Clean and easy. By the way, you made a little more progress. Hey, all right. GPT says meet to learn Fast API. Yeah, it's a good one. I recommend Fast API. Fast API is the good choice. Fast API, you guys. Fast API, yes. Good choice. All right. So, let me see here. Where do we want to go next? Segment created. We don't need created. We already have ID, so I believe we're going to see what we get if we do a select star on this. I'm actually really curious. Let's see if we can do the insert first. So let's build this. We're good? Okay, we're good. Also, I added sound effects to my bacon. You can do that. So whenever I save it and it's green, you get like a good happy sound. If I save it and it's bad, you get an error sound there. All right. How are you gonna bypass bot detection? Wait. What bot detection? There's no bots. There's nothing to bypass. Yes, but there is a little problem. Wait, where? Why? Fast API is great. What's the problem? Okay, so let's open this up here. We are going to open up main, and we want to make sure that our document is going to be stored. So let's see here. So we got our document. Let's see, I want it to be state dot, I've never done this, connection? What do we call this? What was this called? Database. Self.database. Database. Dot, what do we call this? Insert? I think we called it insert, right? Insert document. Like that. Okay. All right. Hey, Quick Fix, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. Good to have you here. All right, so we've got our document insert here. And do you remember if we returned a result or not? I don't think we did because it would be asking me to consume it otherwise. It doesn't return a result. Okay, so we might want to do a to-do return results on our insert function. We can do that later. Hey, Goko, good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have your Minecraft server managers here. Hey, thank you, Quick Fix. The KNN in Rust was so hard. You don't know how you will do unsupervised and reinforcement learning. Oh, wait, is it really? You definitely have more of a challenge, for sure. For sure, when you're doing Rust, when it compared to like Python, for example. The thing is, you told me the opinions. Oh, right, the options to use GPT Whisper, yes. Oh, that will cost money. Oh, no, it's free. It's free. It's completely free. It's right here. Look at this. Yeah, it's right there. Whisper, state-of-the-art model for automatic speech recognition. You just click this button here, and you click this button here, and you copy and paste this right there. Really easy, right? Here's instructions. Here's the full instructions. And then you pass a wave sample, a wave audio sample through the pipe, and it gets you back text right here. Watch this. Right here. Right there. For free. Locally. It's local. Right? This is a local model. For free. Right there. And I think, did we put this on our link share yesterday? Let me see here. Let's make sure you got that. Yeah, right here. It's on our link share. All you do is click that right there. Rust by example with Steven Sergio. Yeah. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. All right. So let's see here. La 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 la. Don't worry, I made a mistake earlier today where I said, "Hey, what happened to the meeting?" And the person said, "Oh, you mean the meeting that was supposed to be for next week and not this week?" I'm like, "Well, it's Tuesday." You're like, "Oh wait, you even told me what day it was. You said it was on the 7th, not the 30th." I'm like, "Whoops! I just didn't read. I just saw, sales meeting on Tuesday, next Tuesday. And I ignored the 7th part of it. So that was my mistake. That was my morning so far. How was your morning? or day overall? Folks running locally, I need very good system. No, I don't think very good system. This is just let's see how big is this model. Let's see. I don't know how big it is. Let's see. Parameters. Let's see. What we could do is get some help. All right. So, how big is this model? Parameter size / gigabytes. All right. Let's see if it figures it out for us. 1.5. So you need 2 gigabytes of RAM. It looks like around 2 gigs maybe. So it's a 1.5. Yeah, you could run this on a local system. Like all of my laptops could have run this. This is like an easy one. Yeah, there you go. Sergio, yeah, making it good. We good? Okay. So let's get our documents inserted. Let's make that happen because that's like a really important critical part, right? And then we'll query the docs. So that's like the plan for today. We'll insert the doc and we'll query the doc. I think it's a good plan. Okay. All right, let's run the server here, or this is the test. We'll start the server here. Okay, looks good. And then we'll do one test. Test I test. Doc loaded successfully. Oh, look at that right there. All right, did it really though? Did it load successfully? It didn't crash. Hey, morning Bonzupi. Good to see you. Happy Tuesday. 2 gig of RAM. You have 16, so fine. Good. Sounds good. All right. Kunal, you got the right path here. All right. So we inserted our document into our database. Now let's see if we can load it. So let's see if we could just load it. We need a query. Pub async function. What do we say? Get. Do we want to select? How do we want to load? Load? No. Find? I guess. What is it? Maybe search. I think that's the term that we want to use. Search. Okay. Self, comma, search term, and string, and it's going to return a result of, I don't know, string maybe? Something like that? All right. I think that's a good plan. A good plan right there. Hold on one second. 1, 2, 3. My indentation is off. Oh, I don't like that. 1, 2, 3. It's supposed to be 4. Okay. Let me fix this. Oh, my indentation is off, you guys. Oh, it's unwieldy. Oh, my goodness. Okay, now it's better. Okay. Okay. So, search. I want to do a... So we need to grab the mutex. Then we need to say guard dot. Do we say select? How do we do this? It's been a while. Where is this at? Here we go. Prepare. All right, so we need to prepare the statement. select ID name from person. Okay. And then we can extract everything into a document structure. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. We're going to do a document structure. Here we go. All right. So let's do this. Yeah. All right. Pub struct document. And it's going to have text, right? Is that what we have? We called it slice because Sergio wanted it to be called slice. Slice. That's fine. And this will be, do we want it just to be a string? I think just a string like that should be fine. Okay. Let's see here. We'll see. Does the Rust compiler even care about indentation? It doesn't. I care. I care a little bit. Hey, Paul. Good to see you. Welcome on in, Paul. Good to have you here. What about GPU? GPU is optional. Kunal, GPU is optional. If you want it, it'll go faster. If you don't have it, it'll be slower. But it should be fine. Because you're just running it locally, right? So it should be okay. All right. Guard string. Oh, we didn't return a string. All right, so dot to string. How about that? Huh? Oh, wait. Result. Okay. Green now. There we go. Got it green. Okay. Guard. Let's see. Let underscore equals. What we should do is match on this. We should match because if it fails, then we can return nothing, right? We can return nothing. See, which is fine. Let's see here. Let's do a match. Match. We'll just return it. Here we go. Match guard dot prepare, and then we'll do a select statement. What we should do is we should create a select document. Constant. Insert const select. We'll call this select. And then we will make it real easy and cheesy right there. If you're running it locally, how can it make the project that other people can also use it? Well, you could do really easy. What you could do is blocks.ai, right? So then it's running locally and then it is accessible to everyone globally. So you could do blocks.ai. That'll work. And it's free. There's no cost to it. So if you want, blocks.ai could be the option that you take. And then there are other approaches, right? That you could host it. You can run it hosted. But then you have to pay money for that. Generally, indentation doesn't matter in C either, does it? Nope, you're right, Bunzoopy. It sure doesn't. But in Linux kernel C, it does. Wait, what? It won't compile if the indentation is wrong? There's got to be a linter there, right? It's got to be a linter or something. I assume. Host in a server? Sure. Yeah, that would be the next step. So let's see here. Player, this will be a select. And then we need to pass in our search tuple. Okay. And then let's see, match this. What we could do is say let response. What do we call this? What do we want to call this? Prepare statement. Mute statement. All right. Let mute statement equals. Then we can just match this later. Here we go. I'm pretty sure that's it right there, right? Does that look good? I think so, yeah. We're looking good. Let's close this so we can see this a little bit better. Here we go, perfect. Okay. Then we can map over it and then put a question mark right there. Ooh. Result or no result. Do I want to do that? Is that something I want to go? Shubham, guys, where do you work? I'm CS. You're third year CS. All right, nice. But will it cost money? If you post it in a server, it will. Yeah, it will. If you choose to host it locally on your laptop and you use blocks.ai, then it's free. Right? Then it's free. Okay. We've got an error there. Prepare. Method defined here. Is it guard? Yeah. So we got a guard here. Prepare. So wait, this should have worked. Do we have select statement? Oh, we don't have anything there. So we should say select a slice from, what do we call this table? Wait, we can't call it slice. we can't do that. We can't. Here, How about this? Slices. Let's create slices, and then we'll insert into slices our text slices. From slices, let's see here. Select star from slices. What we'll do is say text. All right. I think, and then we can do a full text search on this. Let me see here. How do we pass in a parameter? Oh, values. So I suppose what we could do is put this as a where. And then how do we do GLM5 or BM25? How do we do that? Was that around here somewhere? Let's see here. All right. Virtual. Let's see here. We call this. Let's see here. Oh, hey, Rockin' Brian. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. Oracle gives you free server. That's also good. For lifetime? No way. That's great. Hey, perfect. You recommend replacing the raw mutex connection with a true connection pool manager like SQLite or Tokyo SQLite. Oh, Tokyo SQLite. I didn't know that was an option. Okay, here, let's do that. I like that idea. Thank you. I like that much better. That's much better. All right, so instead, we're going to say Tokyo SQLite. All right, we got to do that right here. We got to do that one right there. Perfect. Hey, SurfTube, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. All right, you guys. Database to handle multiple concurrency. Yes, exactly. Yeah. We should be good. So I will update that here in a bit. Before I do that though, let's see here. Prepare. Select. My select statement. Where? What do we want to say here? I want to do a BM25 FTS5 SQLite example. Let's quickly look at this. Should be pretty straightforward. Yep. So we got that. Enter into, yep, looks good. We got our values, happy there. And then select as score. Okay. Articles, over articles. Okay. BM25 as score. Where match. Oh, we have to say match. Okay. This is what we have to say here. Where match. Okay. Text match the term question mark 1, I believe. Right. Yes, like this. Okay. Then we look good there, I think. Can we do a semicolon here? Okay, looks good. Excellent. All right, we're doing good, you guys. We're doing good. Upgrading the hybrid search model and integrating vector search. Yep, that's what we're doing. Squirrel Sniper, you got our plan. Yeah, we did it. So we're going to use Turbovec, and we will use with some sort of embedding. I don't know what we're going to embed yet. And then we'll use SQLite. So this is like our algorithm. BM25 full text search with vector for ranking. Hey, Erdem, good to see you. Happy Tuesday. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Thanks for reminding you to sign in and check to see if you have any resources to make a VPS instance. Oh, trying to grab one for a year. Nice. Excellent. All right, so where are we now? So I've got my match. Did we do all that correct? Is that everything good there? All right. No, we need to select this. All right, so we didn't select it fully. So we want the original, we want to select the text, and then we want the score, and then we can order by the score. So let's bring this down here. Select text, comma, BM25 text as score, and then we say where, and we order by 2. I guess maybe we could say score here. See if that works. All right. Does that look good? Does that look correct, you guys? Clean and easy, super simple. Should I learn C++ or Rust first? They're both challenging. Rust, if you're going to learn one, I would choose Rust. If you're going to learn both, then you probably could maybe try a little bit of C++ first, maybe. I don't know, maybe a smidgen C++ there. Thank you for the party poppers, you guys. It's free for life. You can get one That's so cool that you could do that. Appreciate your party poppers, you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so where are we at here? Select text, BM25. Does that look good? I think that looks good. I think we're satisfied with that. Select from, where, order by. Select, I'm gonna select our from, where, and order by. Easy, easy, good to go. Try to learn both together. Oh, well, yeah, that's a good point. You could learn like very simple variable assignments, mutability versus immutability in Rust. You could do, by reference. You could do pointers in C and then do references in Rust. C++ way easier. I would say, yeah, C++ is way easier. You can easily have the computer do whatever you want it to do, and it'll crash. If you want it to, it'll crash. Snippet of same, exactly. Okay. Together is a very big challenge waiting for you. Yeah, they are. It would be all in one, you guys. So we've got all of our SQL here. Looks good to me. Okay. Now we need to, it wants an answering. Sure, I can take care of that. That's not a problem. Does it really want an answering? But it already is an answer. It's already an answer. Why does this one work and this one doesn't? Why is that? Oh, hey, Daniel Super. Hey, Daniel Super Tar. Good to see ya. Daniel Super Addy. Daniel Super Addy. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. We are building a Retrieval Augmented Generation surface today in Axum Rust. We're going to do this as well with Tokyo, because that's what, Axum Rust Tokyo right here. We've got a vector store, Turbovec. We're using embedding. We're going to have an embedding model that turns words into numbers. And then we're going to have a database. And we've abstracted it all into a nice database class. So that way we don't really have to deal with, we could even just call it we can go vertical, right? We could call it a document store or something like that. Delete system 32. Whoa, that is an old meme. That's very old. Your Windows in the old Windows days in the 90s. That's from the 90s. Wow. Sudo arm-rf. Yeah, exactly. All right. That one's more modern. A little bit more modern. You also learn Rust a little bit. Syntax, I dropped it because it's not able to take input from a user. It can, and it actually does. It just takes a lot of effort. Drop table, yep, Control Z. Delete the database. How about truncate table, right? I like that one. Truncate table, I like that one. Use standard IO. Oh, yeah, there you go. Hey, SurfTube, thanks for saying hi again. Good to have you here. All right, let's keep going. So what I really want is to get this part working right here. I want to search the document. I want to search for it. I want to search for it, and I think we can do it. I think we can. So for some reason, I need to see how we do this prepare statement. Thank you for the party poppers, you guys. All right. Let's see here. Because we have a where. We have a where. Do we need to question this? No, we have this here. Wait, maybe we do. Maybe we don't. Because we got a result. We got to result it, yeah? Okay, prepare select type. Mute string new, let's say in the main function. Right. Maybe. I mean, I should be able to compile this perfectly fine all on its own. So we'll give this a try here really quick. Syntax is so hard. It is pretty tough, isn't it? Let's get the next song going. All right, that's a little too epic. There we go. All right. Okay. What are your thoughts about TinyML? Oh, yeah. I like those. So I like micro AI frameworks that make it really easy for you to build your AI. Clean, simple, easy syntax. I like that. I'm very much into that. I think I've used TinyML once a little while ago. About to implement models into edge devices like phones or MCUs. Ooh, hey, there we go. Hey, how's it going there, Arsalan? Good to see you. How are you? We're doing all right. Good to have you here. Happy Tuesday. Okay, so I want to figure out why this isn't working right here. All right, so what's missing? What are we doing wrong? What are we doing wrong here? Let's see. What is the document say? All right, so statement connection, which we have guard, prepare, and then they just do an answer here, which we have as well. Oh, they don't have Oh, we have to prepare it for, okay. All right. See, it's a little bit of debugging here. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now we need to execute it. Right? So we prepare the statement, and then we need to use it. So we query map and get back an iterable for each document, right? For each of the documents. So let's see. Let doc iter equals statement dot query map, and then we're going to get back a set of, oh wait, you know what, we could just say document. This will be just a document, and the text will be, let's see here, right, our text will be whatever our, all right, so person, row, all right, this is interesting right here. Oh, that must be the input data. Okay, so I assume this will be the to search. There we go. Search and then row inside of our, here we go. Let's put the inside of our bracket or bars there, our vertical bars. And then we can just return person. All right, looks good. Cool. There we go. Let's do this. Keep it a little clean and easy, you guys. A little clean and easy. Nice and making it good. And that will be row 0. Row.get 0. Get 0. Perfect. Comma. Is that it? Did we do it? Are we good to go now? Maybe. It's the mutex. Yeah, it works. It'll work. Don't worry, it'll work. I promise. Text. Wait, what do we call this in our document? Slice? Let's call it text. All right, let's call it text there. And then we need to say, okay, string. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine for now. Get 0 expected. Let's see. Oh, question mark. Okay. Here we go. Question mark. Then did we get the syntax correct here? Let's see. Expected results found document. So we have to throw an okay around that. Okay. Like that. Hey, there we go. Looking good now. Bro genuinely does not want to reply. Oh, wait. Hey, sorry. Why do you have only 13K subs? You deserve 1 million subscribers. Hey, that's not more than... Thank you for saying that. We'll appreciate you being here. We're going to have a lot of fun building with our Rust application to build a Retrieval Augmented Generation server. We are going to make it a really good one. Like a really good one. Appreciate you for being here. 09, good to have you here. Thank you for saying. Default, every variable in Rust must be immutable. By default, yep, you got it. All right. What was the song, the name in the background? Let's see. This is from YouTube Studio. This is YouTube Studio music. So where are we right now? We're currently on Rainbow Forest, and the previous one was Natural Endless Love. Rainbow Forest by Quankas Moreira. There you go, right here. Yep. YouTube Studio music, because it's Creative Commons and free, and we don't have to deal with copyright strikes. All right. So we've got beautiful. Oh, so good. Thanks. Hey, you're welcome. Yeah. Appreciate your comment earlier. That really, that's really nice for you to say. Okay. Is this everything that I want? Does this look good? Let's see here. How about if no, we're going to keep it like that. Okay. All right. I'm very happy with this iterator here. So what I want to do is, do we want to return the iterator directly? I don't think so. What I want to do is return context. I'm going to return everything that's relevant up to a certain point, right? I think that's a good idea. Maybe we can add a limit on it. Let's do that. We'll limit. Let's do a little bit of limiting here. Order by score, and then we will limit by 5. What we could also do is say question mark 2, right? We can limit by question mark 2. So let's do that real quick. So we'll add another, and we'll say, hey, a limit is an I32. Like that. You're such a nice person. Whoa, you're so nice. Thank you. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for saying those things. All right, you subscribed. All right, good to hear it. Good to have you here. Yeah, we're going to be building software on this channel for a long time. We've got a lot of things to build, you guys. Also, I know you're going to say, but wait, the AI can already do this. I'm like, yeah, I know, you're right. It sure can. It sure can. Though you wouldn't really know how to build things if you didn't see the process part of it. So I figure, why not do that part too? Why not do that part too? Reads all the terms and conditions before using software. You gotta, well, some people do that. I don't usually read the terms and conditions. Only when it's necessary. Only when it's necessary. Okay. All right, so we got our statement row, and then I need to also add in our limit. Can you do that? Did we set this correct? Our limit right there. Expected answer found I32. All right, so, all right, sure, answer. We can do that. Okay, so that'll be the limit as a string, which is a little bit weird. I would like to have to be able to do this. All right, so let's look at the query map. I'm gonna see if I'm doing everything correctly, because I might not be. This might be completely wrong. So, query map, SQLite. Let's do a quick little query map here. All right. What is, am I doing this correctly? I don't know, I'm just guessing. It's called 25 years of experience. There you go. There you go. That's professional experience, you guys. Exactly. In where I'm actually getting paid. 25 years. It's been so long. That is a long time. That's a whole lifetime. That's multiple lifetimes, really. Okay. Yeah, so here, what if we see? Query map with params for where statement. Bro, you look 20? Oh, I'm in my 40s. Thank you. You're making me feel good. Appreciate it. See, I told you we're doing it right. See, 1 and 2. Hey, there we go. Look at that. All right. What about a limit? Param question mark 2. Can we use I32? Or does it have to be a string? Yeah, I'm pretty old, you guys. I'm in my 40s. Yeah. The time goes by. Time goes by. Yeah, see limit, I value 32. Wait, limit value right there. Look, parameters macro mixing I seamlessly. Oh, we have to use params. Okay, so there's the magic. I32. Let's do this, you guys. Let's do it the right way. Let's do it the right way, yeah? So it's a params exclamation point. Yep. Save. Good. Oh, we got to import params. All right. See here. Params like that. And params macro. Good to go. U40 no. U40 no. Yeah. Really thought bro was 20, 25, 30. Yeah, I know, right? Me too. No, I've been around so long, and I've done the Silicon Valley adventure. I've done startups. Now it's time for Bo to marry. All right, I know the only thing I haven't done. Yeah, well, maybe someday. Maybe someday we'll get to that. Not today though. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna write some Rust code and get our Retrieval Augmented Generation server up and running. That's what we're gonna do today. Good plan. Good plan, Steven. I think so. Yeah, I think that's a good plan. I agree. Okay. So now that we've got our iterated document here, let's say for doc in doc iterate. How about this? What do you say documents? Documents. Make this a little bit more easy to read here. And then we throw we say, can we print? Yeah, we can print ln the doc, right? We could also dbg this. Unsatisfied trait bound. What? How about we do this? Did we not put a derived debug on here? We did. It's right there. We should be able to do that. Required, see, mapped. Oh, cannot be formatted with the default formatter. Why not? It's just a regular struct as a string. It's a string right there. See, it's one of the things about Rust. Bro, I want to go to Silicon Valley. Hey, it was a lot of fun. I lived there. I lived in Silicon Valley, and I ran around doing all sorts of tech things for 2 decades. For about 2 decades. Please invite us. Oh, invite you where? Oh, to Silicon Valley? I mean, come on down. Come on down. I'm happy, or am I reading it wrong? Squirrel Sniper, you've successfully set up a database mapping iterator. Yes, but it completely discards it. Yes, you're reading it correct. Yeah, Squirrel Sniper, you know, just a placeholder. It's just a placeholder. Just a placeholder for now. Don't worry. Once we get this all happy, we're going to return the string. We will. You're jumping ahead of the class, Squirrel Sniper. Yeah. You're jumping ahead. Bro, I'm from Poon, so I'm content. Oh, all right. Good to hear. You seem old. I am. I'm an old now. I am an old unk. Is what they call me. Uncle Steven. Okay. And I am Uncle Steven. I am. Let's see here. I want to... All right, here. So that's the problem where the line is. But I want my doc. I want my doc to be able to be printed out. And it is a doc. It's straight up a doc. Or is it an iterator? What is this? Oh, do we have to unwrap it? What does it want? Mapped rows cannot be formatted with default formatter. Okay. So I would like to see how to leverage those. Because I thought I already did that. I thought I already unwrapped it. Because this should do the trick. Right there. That should be the trick. Let's see here. One sec. Document. And then what we could do is we could get the score. Because we grabbed more than one thing here. So where's our select at? Whoa, hey! Prisham! What are you doing over there? With the 20. Appreciate you. Thank you. My gratitudes. Oh, that's so nice for you. Whoa, thank you. Hey, Kyle, welcome on in. Good to see you. Hello, welcome on in. Hello, it's a nice welcome there. Hi. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Prisham. Very nice. My gratitudes. Quick question about the backend business metric analytics. Do you use integrated or is it custom? Yeah, we do custom. We do full custom. Yeah, a custom. We do install open source software though. So we've got, databases and we store everything in a database and then we have an aggregator database. You probably heard of Presto, Trino, Superset, those sorts of things. Hello, hello, hello. Torva, good to see you. Welcome on in. Cool, got some friends. Nice. One of those tier 1 cities of India. Oh, wait, no way, really? All right, I had no idea. No free instances available on Oracle Cloud yet. No, Bonzupi. Okay, let's see. Which language you're coding doesn't, wait, 1 second. Let's see, did I do something weird? Yes, I did. Okay. All right, so which language are you coding? I doesn't anything. Yeah, so this is Rust. This is Rust. Yes, sir. Rupees. All right. Got the rupees there, the money. So it's cool. All right, you guys. Excellent. Excellent to hear. So where are we now? This is the part that is right here. So did I not? Here. Let me do that. No, I don't like it. Mapped rows cannot be formatted in this because it doesn't. Well, sure. Let's see. What do we want here? The full name of the type has been written to, consider verbose, no. Let's see here. Just give us mapped rows. But it's not a mapped row. How do we access this data? Oh. Do we collect? Oh, we gotta collect it. No, we don't have to collect it. We can iterate over it. It's an iterable, right? So we should be able to iterate through it. And we just need to be able to print it out. This right here. So if here, watch this. So it's good there. It's good there. What are you doing, bro? We are building a Retrieval Augmented Generation. What are you making? Rag. Oh, hey.
I will support
hey,
too, but it's
Shoopam.
just like
oh, thank you for the 100. Wow, you guys are so nice today. What is it? A special day or something? What's going on? I will support too, but this is just like a. Well, I still thank you so much. Let's see here. Let's write you a thank you here. You're so nice. Thank you! Exclamation point! Party poppers. All right, let's do some party poppers here. Pop, 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 pop. All right. Thank you. Oh, that's my gratitude. You guys are so nice to me. And all the other ones. Hey, Loons, good to see ya. Welcome on in. All right. Original, let's see. Okay. All right, good to have you guys here. So we need to figure out how to just print the document. Oh, I'm gonna print it. Let collected equals documents dot collect. We should be able to do this, right? Let's see if we can make that happen. I'm gonna play around with it for a bit. No errors? Oh, it doesn't like that. Method cannot be, well, because it's throwing a okay. It doesn't like that. Method cannot be collected. Result due to unsatisfied trait bound. All right. Well, did we do everything correct? Oh, there we go. How about this? Okay, how about now? There we go. We were missing one character right here, right there. Whoops the doodles. That's what we gotta do. I missed it up, you guys. Thank you again for the donations. I appreciate you guys. It's so nice for you to do that. Turn your bro, be nice and give me a job. I know, your turn. I know, right? Hey, you know what? We do have we do have an open Rust position. So what you do is go to Google. You type pubnub careers, press enter, scroll down to the link here, scroll down on the page, and you see here, we have an engineering role open for Core Systems Rust. You click the button there, and it will load up the role, and you click the apply button right there. There you go. You can do it. What are you making, man? All right, yeah, so we are building a RAG system. So I've got it right here so you can see. This is our Retrieval Augmented Generation server. And this is what we're building right now, you guys. So it's a way for you to have a user submit a prompt. They can ask a question, and the response will be natural language based on all the documents stored in your database. That's what we're doing. What are you doing? Can you explain this? Oh, there you go. That's what we did, yeah. So we build a web server. We're working on the database section right now. We will add the vector store, so that way we can do a ranking with BM25 full text search and a vector search ranking all in one, you guys. And then we'll hand that off to the LLM along with appending the original user's prompt, so that way it can answer intelligently based on all of your docs. That's what RAG is. Right? Never gonna get that, so I'm just gonna try. All right, yeah, always try. My recommendation is always try. You always learn something. You always learn something if you try. Where's the Nevo? All right, Neva. Haven't seen him in a while. Yeah, Neva was here. I believe, a couple days ago, if not yesterday. Yeah, I think a couple days ago. You should visit. I should? You think so? Maybe someday. So we've got our design here, and we're going to be building it. That is currently where we're at. And I believe I've got our engine. Let's run it here. All right, cargo build run. Okay. Let's see if we can test it. And doc loaded successfully. Did it though? That's my question. Did it? Posted data. Let's see, posted data. Doc loaded successfully. Right. What am I posting though? What is the document? And is it actually being, oh, it should print. We should see a print here. Right? Oh wait, we won't see a print because we're not even searching for it yet. That's why. We're not even running the code. So we need to open up our main file, and we need to see here, search. Okay, so we want to run this on our database. So when we do our prompt, when we get our prompt, let's grab that. Let's run that here. Okay, so we want to say state.database.search, and we can pass in a prompt. So we'll do our prompt here. Prompt, and then we'll limit 5, something like that. We'll just say let underscore equals for now. Okay. Looks good? All right, looking good. Okay, happy. Reload database and run the search. Did we make it work? Google it once you love it. Wait, Wait, Google it. Oh, right. Here, we'll Google it right now. Here we go. Are you ready? Google. All right, here we go. Whoa! That is beautiful. Yeah, that is epic. That's like cinematic. Wait, is this really? No way. That is stunning. You live there? You live in paradise. That's so cool. Wow, every season. That's so cool. Very nice. All right. That one book looked like Minecraft. Oh, a little bit. It could have been, actually. It might have been. Neva was here last Monday. I don't know about the weekend, but last time saw Neva was last Monday. Okay, yeah. Neva was here very briefly over the weekend. Very briefly. All right, let's see if that works. Did it work? Did it work? Did it work? I don't know. I'm going to print this out here. So here, print. Wait, we have user prompt, and there's no rows are being returned, it seems. So what I'd like to do is not have a where statement. Let's see here. Where text match. How do we want to do this? How would we like to go about this? I don't know. I am not familiar. What if we did just like a select star from slices and in order? So let's comment these out for now. And we will do the score. And we don't even need to, do we? Do we though? Yeah, we don't, do we need to? Yeah, I don't know if we need to say text match for the score. So we'll just say select text. So we're just gonna grab everything. Select, and we won't pass in any params. So we're just gonna comment this out for now. Here we go. No, keep that there. Here we go, okay. And then we delete the params. No params. Okay. So, that should be it, right there. You're trying to send a script. I don't understand what some sub dude on Discord sent me. Oh, yeah. So if you want to send any links or anything, definitely send it on Discord, because that's the place to do it. Can you review my portfolio? Although it's just for, yes, absolutely. Shubham, yes. Absolutely, yes. Close to your village. Nice, Kunal, nice. Let's see here. Okay. All right. What is your PC specifications? H top. Here we go. I'll show you. Let's do this. No. Oh, hey. That's good to know. All right. Good. Okay. I thought I got rid of that. I'm glad I didn't. All right. So, H top. Here you go. Pretty good specifications. So we've got 16 cores and a lot of memory. I got lots of memory right there. General chat sounds good. Yep. General chat sounds good. Okay. Close this. Back to our code. Now, what did we break? Oh, right. 81. Okay. Good to go. All right. Let's see if we can load anything. Let's see if we can load any doc at all. Let's try and make that work. This is critical. Does not seem to be loading anything. So is it even inserting? See, that's my question. Is it even inserting? Like this part right here. So we've got our insert, we've got our select. Is that part even working? It seems like it's not. All right, so let's take a quick little break here and we'll go over here. Okay, go back to link share. Okay. Oh, ooh. Okay. All right, let's take a quick look here. Got some fun animations. Oh, hey, I remember this. You got a custom cursor. Creative developer. Oh, so the scroll is a little jarring, though it works nice. Wait, what'd you say here? Creative developer based in Poon. All right. Building interfaces, showcase of recent projects. Very nice. It's clean. Like it. Let's see here. Okay, bye for now. Hey, very nice. You've got your LinkedIn, Twitter, and email. All right. I like how simple and clean it is. I understand it. I also have these next buttons. Oh, that actually works. Okay, so you've got a carousel. with various designs. All right. Looking good. Wait. 1, 2. Okay, here we go. Looks good to me. Yep, it's working. View all works. Oh, nice. It keeps going. Good job. All I can tell you is it looks good. You can drag them as well. You can drag? Drag what? Wait, what do you mean? You can, what can you drag? Let me try. Drag. Oh, yeah, okay. So you can scroll for the drag. Got it. Nice. Little touch support there. You can visit and you'll go to your village. Oh, all right. Sounds good. No mountains, but crazy rock formations. Where I live is crazy scenery. Also, you live in... Wait, let's type that in. SH Shawnee National Forest. Ooh, that is also epic. Bonzupi, really? This whole time, this is where you've been living. No way, that is also very epic. Look at that, Bonzupi. This is great. Crazy, yeah, seriously. This is an epic places, you guys. You live in epic places. That's crazy. Not that course, wow. No, crazy, you guys. All right. Okay, let's see, where are we at here on our... All right, let's go back to our Rust here. So we need to figure out why it's not inserting data. Scarlet Fire, yeah, there you go. That's about 5 hours from Chicago. All right, good to know. Hey, Steven, yesterday I came across with the fact that you created work at PubNub. Yes. Then I go, wait, I know PubNub. No, wait. And then I downloaded 2 podcast episodes, and then I came up talking about Rust. Yeah, that happened. What? No way. I re-listened to it again yesterday. Such an inspirational story. That happened. You found the podcast. That's great to hear. Silicon Valley is good, but nature is goated. Yeah, it is. Nature's pretty good too. Yeah, I agree. Whoa, Brian. Yeah, that's crazy that you found that. Where do I live? I live in Seattle, Washington. Seattle, Washington. Here we go. Seattle, Washington. There we go. And I'll show you. So it's just, city. And there's trees and Mount Rainier. That's it. This is it. This is what it looks like. It's the city. I remember you from a bit ago. Oh, hey, how's it going there? Woozing, good to see ya. That's cool. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I like it. I'm happy about it. I watched a crazy video on Silicon Valley. Bro, I dream of living there. It was amazing. It was. Because it was fast-paced. It was very fast-paced. Everyone was, adopting new technology very rapidly. We were all trying new things. Node.js sprung out when I was there. Before I got there, Node.js wasn't a thing, and then all of a sudden it was a thing. Whoa, Loons, what are you doing? Oh, appreciate you. That was so nice for you to do. You didn't have to do that, Loons. Wow, thank you. Loons, my gratitude. That was very nice. For the people. Yeah, there you go. Hey, Shoopam, you got the gift. No way, 2 more incoming? Are you serious? No, you don't have to do that. You don't have to. No. You're good. Shoopam, oh, you got one. Yeah, check it out. You're a member now. Thank you to Loons. What? I know, Loons did that. Loons, that's very nice. Very nice for you to do. For the people. All right, so why is my docs not loading? I'm trying to run my test here. Is it running? It's not printing. Oh, wait, you were going to buy one. Oh, now you got one for free. Check that out. Oh, hey. Whoa. Another one, Loons. Thank you again. My gratitudes. Oh, wow, you're being so nice and generous today. What's going on? What happened today? Do you guys know? Why is all this stuff happening? I don't get it, but I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. You just joined Discord. Can I send it to you? Yes. General channel works. You good though? You're good though? Whoa, another one, Loons. Hey, thank you. I don't know. All right, well, Loons, Thank you so much. Third and final one. Yeah, there you go. Hey, appreciate it. And what was it? Ghanim. Let's see. Ghanima. All right, Ghanima. There you go. Loons just gave you a gifted membership. Look at that right there. Unexpected fun adventure. Wow. Try removing print doc line. You're trying to print the raw iterator. Loop through the doc iterator to collect the strings instead. All right, let's check this out. All right, thank you, Squirrel Sniper. Let's see here. Right? So that's what we got right there. Does that look okay? I think that's fine. I assume it's fine. I assume it is. Loons, thank you again, has adopted the abundance mindset. Yeah. Yeah, yes. Thank you again, Loons. My gratitudes. This looks fine to me. Squirrel Sniper right here. I think that looks good. Right there. Right there. You see that? For doc and documents, print the doc. I just want to print it out. I want to see it. Debug. DBG. Right there. Like that. Right? Like that. The fact that I didn't got any XP from this is weird. Wait, no way. Really? Let's take a look at that. Hold on. There's got to be some problem. Yeah, what is that? What? Shoopam already top. Torva number 2. 09. Where's Squirrel Sniper even? But where's Loons? Oh, you're... what? No way! Maybe it'll take a while to, like, trigger. It might take a while to trigger. All right, let's find out here. Yeah, I'm a number. Yeah, you're a number. You're number 1. How'd you do it? This is your job or internship type thing? Who? Wait, Prashant. Prashant, who are you talking to? Let's see. If you're talking to me, I'll give you the answer. All right. Well, you know, I'll answer anyway. All right, you guys. So my name is Stephen Blum. I co-founded PubNub many years ago with Todd Green. I'm the CTO. We raised 134 million. Series E, 1 billion devices. We are the #1 real-time provider for in-app communication. Things like multiplayer chats, delivery, on-demand delivery, telecommunications. Bro, he just flexed. He just flexed there. Yeah. We've been doing PubNub for over a decade. We are the #1 the largest real-time network. We've got over 1 billion devices on our network today. Over 1 billion. That's a lot of devices. We do a lot of things. You may have heard of some of our customers: Swiggy, Ticketmaster, DAZN, TalkShop Live. We do multiplayer games, healthcare for telemedicine, e-commerce, where you do live auctions and biddings, right? Fintech, where you see stock prices go up and down. Like that. Whoa, Kyle, you just took over. Kyle, what are you doing over there? Take a look at that. Kyle, my gratitudes to you. Whoa, no way. That is a celebration right there. Take a look at that. Look at y'all got some gifted gifts there. Nice. Thank you to Kyle. Flip with Kyle, you guys. That is Flip Profit, right? What is it? Flipprofit.online. Did I type that right? Did I type that right? Hey, there we go. That's the guy. He's the creator of this technology over here. Just sent these 5 gifted subs to you guys. Memberships in abundance. Hey. Great library, David Bailey. Thank you, flipprofit.online. There we go. Do you know what is a donor war? I've not heard about that. Is that where people just... they all like battle by who can donate the most? Is that what that is? Is that what's happening right now? Am I a real streamer now? Does that count? Yeah, Flip Profit, you guys. Check this out. Flipprofit.online. Right there. Right there. Crazy. Hey, Kyle, thank you. My gratitudes. That is so nice. Yes. All right. Remember, donation war. Today's your day, apparently. Hey.
Today's is your day.
Prashant, thank you. Wow. I appreciate you. You guys are so nice to me. Wow. Thank you. Explanation point. So nice to me today. So nice to me. You guys. My father worked with David Bailey and Terrence Donovan. Oh, Squirrel Sniper. Wait, who are those? Who are they? They sound like people I should know. Can you tell me, man? Sure. Sent in the general channel. All right. Yes, we will get to you. We'll get to you. Yeah. I'm gonna have some sort of psychology hack. Oh, to get the market active. There you go. There you go. All right, what do you got over here? All right, so Shubham. All right, so we went through your portfolio, and then Vector, right? P-call. What's this? Load string, game HTTP. You are loading Lua. Some sus dude sent me this and was DMing me to spam your DMSs. Don't know what, and block the dude. Yeah, looks like they're trying to get you to download a Lua script and run it. I mean, I assume. Don't click anything. Don't click anything. Prashant. Oh, hey, good to see ya. So is this the correct one? Is this what you're talking about? Photographers and film directors. I would take part, but I'm getting stuff tailored this month. All right. All right. So let's see if we can get our documents loaded here. This is like the one thing I'd like to do today. If this is the one thing I could do today and I can get my documents out of my database, I will be happy. Thank you again, you guys. So many wonderful donations. You're so nice. You are so nice. Okay. So we are going to get our statement here. We're going to search. We threw in our prompt. We get a limit 5. And then let's see if we got everything that we need here. All right, so document, query, we got our select statement here. And then what we should do is we should print this out. We should see what's actually happening here because we might have like a syntax error or something, right? So let's see here. Let's do a quick little match on this. Can I save that? Yeah, I can, okay. Match this. Let's see if we get an error or otherwise. All right. We'll say, okay, result. And then we can say result, or whatever. Rows, maybe? I would call it rows. Rows. And then we got our error, ERR. Our error, DBG, exclamation point, ERR. Can we do that? Is that going to work? Okay. Got a problem. Next month, I'm going to buy people memberships. Oh, Shubham, well, hey, it's good to have you here. It's good to have you here. What are you making? Oh, hey, Not Coda, good to see you. All right, Not Coda, we are building a Retrieval Augmented Generation server. You guys were asking for it for a long time. You're like, hey, Steven, we should build this. Hey, Steven, we should build a RAG. Hey, Steven, like 2 months go by. Hey, Steven, we should build a RAG. I'm like, oh, no, we'll do it in the future. Someday we'll do it. Hey, Steven, can we build a RAG? Okay. You guys asked enough, and so we are doing it now. We're building a Retrieval Augmented Generation. Potato Gunner, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. Best software dev community on the internet, IMO. Hey, very nice, Cal. Thank you. You know everything. I know a good amount. Everything is a stretch by what it is. It's a good stretch. It is also a very nice compliment, so thank you. We don't have the full knowledge of all the things. We have a good amount of knowledge though. So let me see. I need to also, is this, yeah, statement insert. Is this working? Let underscore equals. All right. Where is our rows? Expected future found results. Do we have to, oh, you're supposed to say, Steven, you didn't await. You didn't await it. Await. Because it's async. Everything's async. Okay. So we have to await it. And we got a problem, you guys. Oh, whoops. Steven, you didn't await it. I know, that's the problem. Whoops. Await. Okay. So let's go back to our match statement where we have that match here. All right, let's just hide that for a second. Let's see here. / hide, comment this out for a bit. Okay. So now if we fix this, maybe we'll see the results. Finally, yeah, I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, not gonna lie, this is absolutely badass. Oh, Not Coda, well, thank you. Appreciate you. That's so nice for you to say. All right, you know every language and how everything is built. For the most, I know a lot of languages and I know how to do most things. Not all things, for sure. We can accomplish a lot though. We can accomplish a lot. What IDE are you using? This is Vim. Right here, you've got Vim going right here. A little bit of Vim with some Tmux. Vim 911752. Right here. A little bit of Vim, you guys, right here. All right, and tmux for the window management, so I can like split my windows and stuff, right? Hello! Split all the windows. All right. Thoughts on vibe coding? Z, it is the modern approach to software engineering. If you will do vibe coding, it is being done with the AIs that print the code. Doesn't matter if you're typing the code or if the AI is typing the code, because the code's being typed. The idea is, if you are going to be writing code, you're going to be learning. If you're going to have the AI write the code, that means you're just working. So you can work or you can learn, right? You could do both at the same time, potentially, though. Everyone kind of wants you to be using the vibe codes now because it's so much faster. Steven is human man from Earth. Yes, I am human man from Earth. Not an alien. No. Steven admits he's human. A little bit. Human man from Earth, yes. Next project, building a mobile app and taps into raw hardware sensor registers. Oh, microscopic data level. So you can do the gyroscopes, right? I know you can do some gyroscope there. He's not Zuckerberg, that's for sure. Not Zuckerberg, you got it. Also feel like I've seen you somewhere before. Oh, maybe. You might have. I don't know. Tech-driven paranormal detector. Ooh, there you go. Building something fancy there. Human, he's from Earth and not an alien. There you go, right? But would a human say from Earth and not an alien? I don't know, right? Definitely not an alien. Cures your depression, nice. Hey, Doom Slayer, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. Good to have you here, bro. Please keep me. I need to say, Deb. Yeah, okay, Deb. Please help you. Sure. What do you got? What do you got? All right, so I'm going to try to fix my stuff over here. Let me see if I can grab my statement and await. All right. Bring this in, await it. Will that work? Okay, let underscore equals. And then maybe we can print this. DBG exclamation point underscore. And print that? No, don't like that? Not allowed here? You don't like that? Okay. SKS. How about that? All right. If you do an underscore and you ever try to use it, Rust is like, nah, you can't do that. What does the fox say? Isn't it ning, 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 ning? What does the fox say? Doomsayers, it is good to see you. All right, so now let's see if we can print this out. Let's see what we got. Whoops, oh, I did not mean to close that. That was a mistake. Here we go. All right, let us split the window again. All right, so we're gonna run our server. All right, and was there let underscore DBG? Oh, we don't want that. We don't give it. I don't care about that. It's a debug statement. Hey, there we go. That's what we were looking for. This is why it wasn't working. This is why you need to have this stuff. Check it out, you guys, right there. Do you know what the problem is now? I don't know if you guys can see it. I know exactly what the problem is. Maybe. Nah. Maybe. Let's find out. Slice. Let's get rid of this. Delete that, make it easy. Slices. Yep, slices. Slices. Okay, let's save this really quick. All right. Let's load it up here. Okay. So, prompt error. SQL failure on unknown near slices syntax error. On what part? 81? Okay. So, right here. Oh, 1 second. Let me see here. 1 second, you guys. I'm going to. 1 second. 1 second, you guys. Hey, I'm streaming. How's it going? Oh yeah, thank you. I do want to chat more. I talked to everyone, and I have details that were secret, and I didn't know about. Sounds good. Okay. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. All right. The secret. No, this I can't tell you guys. I can't tell you. There's something I can't tell you about. You can wonder though. I can let you guys wonder. All right, let's see here. So I found out where our problem was. SQLite failure. And it failed on our select statement. We're here on line 81 on our search. So if we just hide this and then we rerun it, here we go. We try again. See here. All right, no errors. Now what I'd like to do is do the same thing up here. So was this on our insert or search? That was our search. Let's try to see if we're actually inserting data now. So let's see here, s equals data, and we say dbg at exclamation point s. See if we got anything here. Okay. You haven't seen any foxes around? Yeah, no way, that you're in like fox country, right? That looks like fox country. King Snake in your chicken coop last night. His name was Funky Town Spaghetti. He was eating an egg, but he got scared. Oh, and you poked it with a stick. Okay. All right. That sounds like something that you do there. What is one tip do you to me? All right. So one tip. All right. One tip. So when you're learning, you think, let me see. All right. So I've got like 2 tips here. Let's do 2 tips. All right. So the first tip is, you want to struggle, you want to fail. The failure is going to teach you more than your successes. So jump into something in the deep end and struggle. That struggle is something that you'll remember forever. It's a forever thing. So always jump into the deep end and do the hard things. And fail as often as you can, because you will learn more than you've ever learned. So that's really critical. The other thing is, when you're learning, make sure to type everything yourself by hand. Don't try to use the AI to do the learning, because it won't teach you anything. It will not teach you a thing. It'll show you how to do something the right way, but you won't learn how to do it the wrong way, and that is more important. That is more important. You're like, no, wait, you forgot the egg. Oh, wait. Oh, come back. You wanted the egg. The egg, you can't stay the night here. You can have the egg, but you can't stay. I like that statement. All right, so I would very much like you gain XP with both success and failure. You do, Doomslayer, exactly. You need success and failure, because I would say more failure though. Do more failure. Hey, what? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. Good to have you here. Daily check-in. Hi, Stephen. How's it going there, Preeth? Good to see you. Good to have you here. Thanks for the tip. Go to tip. You got it. It's a pretty good one. I got some more eventually, if I remember them. I will remember and tell you. All right, so I wanted to see this. I want to see this right here. I want this. Print ln. This is going to be posting the doc, right? So our select statement was broken. Print ln. All right. Do we have another print around here somewhere? Where are we printing at? Here. Let's hide this. And then bring back here. And just save it. Here we go. Okay. Run that. Test. Okay, here we go. S equals nothing. It's empty. Because it can't be something. It is nothing. That's right. Because we didn't make it a thing. Or did we? Did we make it a thing? Insert. It's nothing. So let's do a result. Results. And results here. And it's going to be nothing returned. So we'll say, okay. Maybe? How about we do this? Can we do this? What if we just return this like this? Is that something we can do? No, I don't like that. Okay. We can fix, oh wait, we need to do dot await. No, that's not a, yes, we need to await that, of course. Okay. Result, usize error is not a future. So it's not an asynchronous thing? Okay. Execute, result error found usize. So we need to do something different here. All right. What are we doing? Job or internship thing and why? What are you doing? All right. So Prashant, for those of you who are new here, of course, my name is Stephen Blum, CTO co-founder at PubNub. which is a communications API company. We raised a lot of money, Series E, 1 billion devices. We do this for multiplayer games. So if you ever played games on your phone with someone else, you're using my technology, very likely. We are the largest real-time provider in the world right now for API communication. You can add telemedicine, on-demand, fintech, delivery services, all sorts of things. You're probably familiar with some of these companies here. Sergio, Russ, there you go. And today, we are building a Retrieval Augmented Generation server. And we are trying to do the very simple things to store the data. We want to store the data. So let's try to make sure that we're storing the data. I would like to see it. I would be very happy if that was the case. All right, let's result equals. Can I do that? Here we go. 1 second. We can say okay result. Result. There we go. Try that. Good? No? Okay. Expected nothing found at U size. Oh, really? Okay. U size? Okay. I don't know if that's going to be helpful or not. But what we could do is we can mess around with it. Okay. So let me go back to our main here. All right. Let's rerun this. Test it. 1. Okay. 1. What does this return? What is this actually returning? Rust syntax looks cool. It is pretty cool. I like it. Oh, Shubham, you sent a connection request on LinkedIn, did you? Okay. All right. Let's find out. Let's find out. Let me create a new window and go to LinkedIn over here. And I'll find you. I'll find you. Okay. So here we go. Here's our window. I'm going to zoom out here and I will find you. Hey, I found you. All right. Accept. Here we go. Send a message. Hello. Hello. There we go. Hey, we're live on stream. Thank you for connecting with me live on stream. There we go. All right. Excellent. We're connected now, you guys. Happy Tuesday, Beast Hunter. Good to see ya. Welcome on in. You posted a funny job opportunity to Discord General. Job flip profit wizard onboarding. Woo! All right. Thrilled to announce Flip Profit Inc. has officially expanded to operations architecture. We are opening a headcount for a principal arcane engineer, the wizard kind. The wizard kind of engineer. To be clear, this is not a metaphorical title for a clever developer, which I thought it was. That's what I thought it was. We're actually hiring a practitioner of the esoteric arts, integrate directly into our production engine. All right, so you're hiring. We suffer from failure of imagination. We over-index on marginal gains with standard algorithmic optimizations while completely ignoring the high-level, non-linear inversion spaces. When you look at the data surrounding high-velocity startups, the missing variable isn't data processing, it's probability manipulation. Okay, Kyle. Okay. Is this a real job? Or is it looks like hashtag, there's hashtags in there, so it must be real. And you've got the M dashes, so we know it's real. Because you're serious now. You're actually from Hogwarts, bro. Hire me. Hey, Shubham, there you go. No, it's Goofy. Okay. Okay, got it. Cognitive load subtraction. By implementing localized high-fidelity manifestation rituals, we aim to reduce cross-departmental friction by 42%, the answer of the universe, effectively bypassing standard logistics bottlenecks. Okay. Driven metrics. Wait, theurgy? Wait, is that like religious? Our predictive analytics indicate that integrating a dedicated caster, you're a wizard, right? So into our daily stand-ups will shift our product market resonance by a factor of 1.6 sigma, directly compressing our development cycles via temporal optimization. This is a job title. Well, I mean, right there. If you want it, it's for you. You're a Jedi, Sergio? So you need crazy engineer with imagination and prototype crazy ideas. Bonzupi. It sounds like it, right? 10 years of experience. Well, you should have said like 100 years of experience, right? If it's for funny. 10 years though. Localized reality bending. Oh, okay. I got it. I didn't read it all. There you go. Localized reality bending. Right there. Deep understanding of weaponized subtraction, which actually is a good thing. You want to do code reduction. It's really valuable. Basically hiring a Jedi. Yeah, my qualifications are swapped with GNU-utils, FreeBSD, and Nixos. Finally, exactly. If you're ready to scale something that defies conventional thermodynamics, direct message me directly with your portfolio of your localized coordinates, which is your address, I guess. Hey, Quick Fix, thank you for saying hi. All right, let's see if we can get back to it. So one thing I'd love to do as our final thing today is make sure that data is being imported into the database and we can get it out. Something simple. Something very simple. We should be able to achieve this, right? This is what I want. I want to achieve it. All right. So it works, but it doesn't at the same time is what I'm wondering about. So it seems to, but is it really? Is it really working? Await. Did we await this? We did. Okay, good. All right. Let's see if we can debug this. Okay. Let's see here. Reload. Run. We got a syntax error, it says. And I don't know why. It says near slices. I suppose what we could do is we could fix that. Unknown. SQLite failure. Near SQLite. And this is for our select, right? This is our select statement. Yes, search. So let's do our search here. Prepare statement select. And it says there's an error near here. Limit 1. Oh, did I forget to... No. We'll say limit 1. Form. It's right there. Oh, you guys, right here. That's the problem. Too busy to do probability manipulation to care about petty things like capitalization. How many monitors do you have? Just curious. 1. I got 1 monitor. It's right here. 1 monitor. And that's all I need because I've got my text editor over here, and then I've got my stream stuff over here, and then I've got desk space, which I like the best. I like clear desk space. There. All right, let's see if we fixed it now. All right, no more errors, no more errors. Hey, look at that. All right. That's what I like to see. Errors gone. All right, now we just got the okays. We just got the okays here. Look at that document. Day is going well, thank you. Is that it right there? Did we just do the thing that we wanted to, that we set out to do? How big is your role in your company, Prashant? My company. So see. We started the company a long time ago, right? With Todd Green, CEO of PubNub. I'm CTO, and I work with teams. I write code. I talk with customers. I work with sales. I work with marketing. I work with everyone as much as I can, and I help them be successful. Most recently, I built a data query engine for our team to use internally, so that way they can ask any of our data systems. It's one of the data democratization tasks that I wanted to do for many years at our company. I wanted to do it. Some people were like, I don't know. What if we give data access to all of our employees? Well, they'll have too much information. I'm like, why is that a problem? All right, why is that a problem? I feel like you should be able, and I did. So that's what I did. I recently am improving and working on that right now. And I am doing my best to train the team to be able to use all of our company's data so they know everything. They have access to it all. It's really powerful. And most companies, they lock that down. They lock it down. They're like, nope, you can't have the data. It's too good for you. You can't have that data. Yep, exactly. T and Green, you got it, Torva. Hey, HS, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. Good to have you here. GG's on following your dreams. Hey, Doom Slayer. Yep, that's what we're doing. My audio skip lines perfectly with the split in the short view. Wait, your audio skip lines. it skips lines perfectly. One of the 10 subs. Oh, wait. Oh, thank you for the follow. I missed it. I was doing a rant. Go. Hey, Go. Thank you for following. Appreciate you. So you guys, we do have a plan. You're so happy today. I am. Prasham, we're doing good. We're doing good things. We're doing good things today. Look at this. I'm happy because we achieved this right here. A really simple, easy thing right there. Right there, you guys. Oh, it's so good. This part is doing what it needed to do right there. Line 65. It works. It works. So what we're going to do is we're going to hide that. We're going to do an underscore here because we don't need it anymore. Where's our other DBG? Hide this as well. Underscore on that. Save it. Sure save. Reload. And make sure that we are getting our doc. There it is, right there. Now what I'd like to do is increase the limit. Let's go limit 10. Save. Like that. Let's do a semicolon on that. Okay. Reload. Now I should see a growing list. So 0, 1, and then 2, right? Yep, there it is. Right there. Looks so good. Okay. Now, what if we got rid of the debug statement and we just print ln and we just do a regular print like that on the text? Can we do that? 1 second. Okay. Didn't we call it text? What do we call it? Document.text. Yeah, right there. Document.text. I should do, oh wait, yeah. Document text. Right there. Okay, here's what we'll do. Oh, it's a result. It's still a result. Can it be forwarded with the default formatter? Okay. Well, then we will do it with debug. All right, there we go. Let's try rebuilding. Right there. Hey, Peace, good to see you. What are we building today? We are building a Retrieval Augmented Generation server. And look at that. Oh, it's so good. Hold on. Wait. We've got multiple print statements happening here. And I'd like to see where it is happening. Where is that happening at? Here, 1 second. So is this the print statement? Where is this one happening? Let's just comment that out for now. Okay. Close and reload. Let's see here real quick. Okay. Reload it. Let's see here. Subscribers doesn't matter. Why they followed matters. Yeah, there we go. Hey, Jeff. Hey, Just Chopping. Just arrived. What are we working on today? We're building a RAG, a Retrieval Augmented Generation server. This is going to allow us to give our users the ability to ask questions using basic natural language. And we should be able to get back all of the relevant documents using BM25 full text search and vector search to hand that over to an AI, an LLM, that will answer the user's prompt based on the documents that we stored in our database. Hey, how's it going there? Emo AI music. Whoa, good to see ya. It's been a while. How have you been? Good to have you back. Sometimes you deliberately not use AI when coding to check your brain still works. Hey, HS, yeah, there you go. Because sometimes, so that was one of my fears early on. I'm like, oh no, check this out. This is gonna be scary. What if I'm not smart enough? What if I forget everything? What if it just disappears? What if that happens? What am I gonna do? Well, I'll have to start over. Check Discord, Minecraft talking. Let's see. Discord really quick. Minecraft, you said? Okay. No admin abuse detected. All right. Full diamond already? What? You've got free time on your hands. Loons, you've got free time on your hands. That's all I can tell you. All right. All right. So let's see. Wait, what? I know, right? What happened? That's crazy. Okay, so that's the hello prompt, user prompt. So I need to get rid of that. So this is, where's that at? Where's that at? Where's our print? Print ln. Starting web server. Here, let's get this out. Let's hide that. I want to hide that. Okay. I would love to be able to pull the data out here. So let's pull the data out. Can we do a, what is it called? Map filter? So we unwind everything. We can do a map filter with maybe a default, and then we can do a collect. So we get a collection of documents. Does that sound good? A vector of documents? Yeah, so there ought to be one doc or no doc. Really what it should be is just a bunch of text. I'd like it to be just a bunch of text. You're joining Minecraft, let's go. Hey, all right, let's go. Yep, thank you to QuickFix for setting up and everyone else. And Loons, this is Loon's server. QuickFix helped set it up. And we got help from Torva as well. All right. What is token cost rise exponentially and people cannot afford AI? Don't worry, AI is going to get cheaper over time because there's competition, right? We got a lot of competition. So the idea is we want it to run on like less computationally intensive hardware, right? So that way it can run everywhere. So we're creating better algorithms. The Gemma4 model does a really good job at that, right? So we got an improvement there. What we need to do next is just continue to improve. Also, as hardware increases in capability, that'll make it cheaper. And it's just going to be more expensive for a little while until it gets better. That's the answer. That's the answer, you guys. Okay, so one last thing I want to focus on. You'd love to join the Minecraft server? Mostly likely very busy. Me too, Bonzupi! No. Nothing wrong with them. M dashes. Hey, Kyle, yeah, those M dashes. Sounds more natural, creating swift, fluent pace and mirrors spoken English. It kind of does, yeah. Which one's best for Spring Boot, Mern or Django? They're both good. I think they're both good, right? So Mongo, Express, React, and Node. But Django is Python, right? Python is an ORM. They're both good. For Spring Boot, it doesn't matter because Spring Boot's going to be mostly user interface. So it'll work perfectly fine with either. There's no difference. You're busy streaming the gameplay. I know it will be for on Saturday. All right. So you guys, Saturday at 11 Pacific time, which will be different time wherever your time zone is, we'll be live. I'm going to post it on our community board as well. Hello, Stephen SBR. Good to see you. Welcome on in. I saw a RAG title. Yep. Wondering which vector database we're using. We're using Turbovec. Here we go. Here we go. Cargo Tomo. Turbovec. Right here. We're going to use Turbovec. And SQLite. Turbovec and SQLite. We're going to combine the two. So that way, we get really good document search. Really good. Alt 0151 for MDAT. I remember those days on Windows when you can use the Alt key to type out. And I just never ported that to anything. All right, you guys. Okay. So let's see here. Where do we leave off? Okay. I would love to fetch. So this is the last thing that we're going to do today, and we have to roll off here. Dockling for chunking, assume. Oh, dockling. Well, that would be good. We're just going to do windowing and chunking. So we're going to do some naive chunking and windowing. Good morning. Hey, Bernie Mac. Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. Good to have you here. All right, you guys. We got to do one last thing here. Is C. Yep, we're going to do it ourselves. And it's all going to be in this database module here. We've got a lot of to-do tasks. So to-do chunking. All right, you got to do a chunking right there. Okay. So let's close this out here. What I'd like to do is make sure that I'm getting my output correct, right? So I am returning data. So we're returning nothing right now. So let's actually return something. So I would like to do a vec of strings, maybe? What if we did a vec of strings? Let mute. No. What if we just did this? Let's see. We'll call it docs equals a vec of strings. What would be nice is if we just put it all in one giant string. But let's just do a vec of strings for now, right? Documents dot filter map. Can we do that? Or is it map filter? You guys remember map filter? Let's see. Oh, dot iter. Dot iter. Gonna do our dot iter. And then we do our dot map filter map. Filter map. Is it map filter or filter map? Do you guys know? I forgot. All right, let me say dot collect. Like that. Okay. And is this something that we can do? All right, iter. There is no. Oh, it's already an iter. Filter map. Okay. This. Okay, so we do have to return data here. A or D. Let's do D for doc. Right. D. Dot text. Is that gonna work? Unknown field. What is D then? Expected option found result document error. So unwrap. All right, found expected option found document. What if we just map it? Value cannot be built from. Okay, let's just bring this back. Okay, you have Bedrock. All right, Java and Bedrock. Nice. Okay. Let me see here. I want to return my vector string is what I'd like to do. Let's return the vector string. All right. I want this right here. Why? What do we need to do here? All right. So try wrapping the expression with some, but I don't wanna. Because it's, oh, okay. I know. Here we go. Okay. So we also can't do that. No iter, because it's already an iterable. Okay. Value of type value string cannot be built from... But I collected it. I collected it right there! Huh. Okay. Item result. Okay, so it's not a result. Item document. Yes. Yes, exactly. That's what I want. All right, well, what if we just mapped it? Wait, okay. Value of type vex string cannot be built for iterator, but we're collecting it, right? All right. Happy Tuesday, Silvanki. Wait, Silvankani. Silvankani, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Good night, all. All right, sounds good. Let's see. Meet next day. That's a good plan. We'll be back tomorrow, same time. All right. Well, I do have to wrap up, you guys. This is something that I'd like to fix here, although we don't have to do it this way. It would be nice if we did. We could save that for later, though. Okay. Let's return. So we could say let mute. Let's see. Docs is a vec of strings, I think. And we say we do that. Okay. Docs dot. How do we push in Rust? Let's see, Google Rust vec append element. So it should be really basic stuff here. Push. Okay. Docs dot push. Push doc. Let's try that. Okay. Expected string found result. So we have to say dot. What if we did question mark? Expected string found document. Dot text. Okay. Docs used here but isn't initialized. Oh, okay. With that. Okay. All right. So we could return our, so now we've got our vec of strings, which I don't like the way that we're doing this, but we do. We have our vec of strings. All right, Kyle, good to see you. Have a wonderful day. All right. Hello. Hey, Mr. Mikal, good to see you. Welcome on in. Steve, what do you think about writing code by hand will still be a thing in the next 5 years? No, it's already, the AI can do a better job these days. It already can. Often, is there a very, very senior engineer can outperform the AI? However, is it really necessary? Most of the time, no. Most of the time, you do not need to build extremely performant code. You don't. It's just the case. You need to build good enough code. Good enough. And the AI can do it. Hey, Steven, today I created an original website for Phoenix Gente Party. Hey, all right. Good to hear it. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, we're going to wrap up here, you guys. I want to... So I did this. We're good there. I would like to be able to return it. Can we turn a vec into strings? How do we do this? How do we All right, so vec of strings and then join into one string. There's a join, right? So I'd like to join it. Dot join. Oh, right there. Easy. Okay, sentence. That's it. Okay, so we say docs dot join. We'll say like a new line character there, like that. Is that good? Done. We did it. That's the thing we were looking for. Okay. Save that here. All right. Toro, it's been a pleasure, everyone. Have a wonderful rest of your day, everyone. Keep your heads up, working to hide it. Yep, you got it. Don't let the thermodynamics limit your potential. Hey, I love it. That's great to hear. All right, I would love to print this output really quick. Let's see. Hold on one sec. Docs, there we go. DBG, exclamation docs. See if that works. We can get it? Okay, I want to run it, and then we're heading out here. All right, try. Yay, there we go. We did it. All right, you guys. Very happy. We made it work. All right, git add, git status, git commit am added, doc, save and load. Save and load. There we get it. Done. Easy. Push main. Congratulations to me. Good luck on your journey. Thank you. All right, you guys, have a good rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow with more RAG. We will do more RAG. We're going to do some vectors. We'll do some fun things, right? We'll make sure that our search works. A lot of different fun things. All right. Good to see you guys. Thank you for the party poppers. Have a good rest of your day. Bye, everybody. See you tomorrow. Congrats. Hey, Mohammed. Thank you. See you later, Bonzupi. See you, Sergio. See you, Kyle. See you, Torva. See you, Quick Fix and Loons. Bye, guys.